how to fix GTA 5 application was unable to start correctly, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do, just right click here on GTA 5, go to properties, after that go to compatibility, and then click change settings for all users. You will find it like that. All you need to do, just turn on this option, click Windows 8, make it Windows 7, then enable those two options and click OK and OK again. And after that just go to settings, then go to privacy. Now scroll down and you'll find background apps. Now make sure to turn off all the background apps here just by turning off the first option, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.